hey, it's Dr. Mo here at Chiropractic Care Center. We got Miss Jennifer. Miss Jennifer's a teacher, and you've seen her in probably prior movies that we did. One of the first ones we did, I think. You were one of the first ones. Yeah, on Facebook. So if you go way down, you can find her. She is almost due next Friday. So she's telling you about your experience.
Yes.
How far?
So I've been continuing to see Dr. Mo throughout my pregnancy to maintain just some relief for my migraines. I suffer from chronic migraines and neck sensitivity, and so I've kept up with seeking treatment from Dr. Mo twice a week throughout the whole pregnancy, and it's been very helpful. So
hopefully the baby comes out.
Yes, hopefully.
Quick and fast. So
so
she wants the baby out any day now. And you've been getting massages as well.
Yes, I've been getting massages, and I've also been seeing the acupuncturist
Oh, that's right.
here.
So she's been doing.
A whole. Yeah, I've seen the acupuncturist here for actually for my morning sickness for the first trimester, and then for migraine treatment throughout. So that's been very helpful. So
the baby's coming any day now. So,
yes, let's hope.
Yeah, so I'm gonna do a usual treatment. We just did muscle stand. We usually do muscle stand on the upper back. She lays face up. We'll do heating pads, and now we're gonna go ahead and adjust her and go from there. All right, so let's go face up for me, please.
I feel like my ear turned red.
It did turn red. You felt right. All right, you ready with me? Deep breath one. All right. Yes. Nice. This video thing works for you. Face this way for me. Here. Deep breath one. Oh my. No, let's go without
A slow migration to the other
No,
side.
you don't. Deep breath. Good.
Thank you.
Of course. So if you're thinking about coming in, come on in. We're waiting for you. All right.